Where can you take your pet to have a one-of-a-kind and luxurious experience? From massages and facials to manicures and pedicures, there's no other place but at Pampered Paws Hotel and Day Spa. Here we pride ourselves on offering your four-legged pal different pet daycare, pet boarding, animal training, grooming, and spa services. We ensure a safe and critter-free environment for your pet by standard pre-vaccination checks and fur checks prior to a pet check-in. The hotel also offers 24-hour drop-off and pickup service, an on-site veterinarian, and plenty of exercise and social time. With webcam access to your pet, you can always check on your precious pet from wherever you are. To book a stay at our hotel, contact us at 1-242-362-0994 or on the web at yourpetspamperedparadise.com. Pampered Paws, where we take your pet to pet paradise.